And South Korea has more active COVID cases than at any other point in the pandemic, and now authorities are tightening restrictions there as well. So I want to go straight to Hong Kong. Kristie Lu Stout is monitoring all of this. Kristie, hi. What can you tell us about these latest numbers coming from South Korea?
Yeah, well, South Korea is now clamping down hard on the coronavirus as the number of new daily cases hits a 9-month high. Starting on Tuesday, the nation is going to be rolling out a raft of new and very strict social distancing measures, especially as the infection continues to surge in the capital of Seoul. Now, starting on Tuesday, some of the new measures in the Seoul metropolitan area include a ban on all social gatherings of more than 50 people. That includes weddings as well as funerals. There will also be a ban on spectators at sports events. We also know that in that area, gyms and karaoke businesses will be closed. As for the rest of the country, again, starting on Tuesday, it will be mandatory across South Korea to wear a mask in all indoor facilities. All bars and clubs will be closed. Restaurants will only be allowed to do takeout or delivery after 9 p.m. The measures kick in on Tuesday, and they will last for at least 3 weeks. Over the weekend, we heard from South Korea's Minister of Health, who described this moment as a, quote, dangerous situation. I want you to take a listen to this.
We concluded that this is a dangerous situation on the verge of expanding into a nationwide pandemic. Accordingly, we decided to raise the social distancing level to 2.5 in the capital area, which is a strict restriction on social activities, and to raise the level to 2 in non-capital areas in order to prevent the spread.
Now, today, South Korea reported 615 new COVID-19 infections. On Sunday, it reported 631 new infections of the virus. That is the highest daily case count since March. It's a very serious situation there in South Korea. Back to you.
So why has it gotten so bad? What's behind this resurgence?
Yeah, this is the third wave for South Korea, and the fact is because it's not a single cluster. When we look at the first wave of infection in South Korea, it was centered around one cluster. It was a church. The second wave, it was centered around another cluster, and that was a nightclub. This time, there are numerous clusters, and as a result, that has introduced these silent chains of transmission into the community that have embedded themselves across the country, in particular in the capital city of Seoul. I also have to mention that one worrisome aspect is timing. Just recently, students in South Korea, they attended those college entrance exams. They're now traveling from home and from the sites of those exams to the colleges that they are applying to. This is a peak travel season. Christmas is coming up. That is the reason why the government is introducing these new measures, and they're lasting for 3 weeks. Back to you, Robin.
Thanks so much, Kristie Lu Stout there. Thank you.